Have you ever wondered how these 7-figure dropshippers find their winning products and how they have such a high success rate? If you watch my videos, you know that I really emphasize product selection, and it's one of the most important factors to seeing success with dropshipping. So stick around, guys. I'm going to reveal to you guys my product research method that I have never ever revealed before. And you guys are probably wondering why I have a new background. I just recently moved into a new office space, and this whole office space here is going to be where we are going to be recording all our creatives in-house going into 2021. I think creative is very important to get down when you're dropshipping, and just in e-commerce in general. You can have the logistics nailed down, you can have the understanding marketing nailed down, but a lot of people miss the creative side. So that's what we're going to attack. But otherwise, let's just get into the video. We're at our computer here, and I want you guys to go enter in your browser BuiltWith.com. The link is in the description. BuiltWith is just a scraper tool. BuiltWith will scrape these websites and figure out which apps they use, which themes they use. I'll give you guys an example of how you guys can use this. Let's say we want to find dropshipping stores. What apps or themes do dropshipping stores usually use? The very first thing that comes to mind is the Beautify. So we can easily find dropshipping stores. We just gotta search the Beautify up, click search, and this is what's gonna show up. Follow along. And then you're gonna be prompted on this page. You guys can see the amount of people using the Beautify theme. You're just gonna click download lead list. Here you guys go. You guys already see a preview of the websites using the Beautify. Then I'll click on a random website here just to show you guys how crazy this tool is. And this is what shows up. Clearly a dropshipping store, guys. Very obvious that this is dropshipping. So from Switzerland. Alright guys, so you guys get the point. You guys can download the full lead list. You guys just have to create an account, and then you guys go down here. You guys can check out these other options they have. The Beautify websites with estimated sales revenue over 100K. The Beautify websites in the United States. There's a lot of options here. And then high technology spend, which is just, technology spend is just the estimated spend they're spending on apps every month. So let's check the plans out for this app. It can easily get expensive. This is for people that are already doing well and want to take their game a little further. I'll cover how to use this tool effectively in a whole nother video, but I just want to introduce you guys to this tool and really get you guys to play around with the whole website. I'm not sponsored by BuiltWith by any means, but I think this tool will help you guys a lot. It literally just takes one winner for you guys to make all your money back. So how I would approach this is I would think what themes dropshipping stores use, what apps dropshipping stores use, not just dropshipping stores, but what apps do people that are doing well use. So let's say Tractor, any tracking app for orders, they easily can cost up to $500 per month, just depending on sales volume. Guys, not all these stores are going to be active, so even before clicking on their website, you guys can do a quick search of their domain on Facebook ads library and see if they're running ads. I would even go further and build out a system where your VAs are doing this whole job for you, because this can easily get time consuming for you guys. So we want to find products that are consumables, finding product ideas for a brand. Search up recharge. Recharge payments is for subscription stores. So we'll be easily able to find stores that are running a subscription-based model. This is perfect for you guys looking to private label brand. Most of these stores using Recharge are doing very well. Their estimated sales revenue is really good, their tech spend is really good, and these stores probably aren't dropshipping stores. But from time to time, you're going to run into a dropshipping store, a private label store, and really it's just getting inspiration, just seeing what these stores are doing to become so successful, right? You don't necessarily have to find winning products. Use this list to reverse engineer what they're doing, sign up to their email list. It's just a really great learning tool. Hopefully you guys learned something in this video. I didn't really go in depth. I think this is enough for information for you guys to really take advantage of this whole website. Product research is probably one of the most important things you guys need to nail down in order to see consistent month-to-month revenue. I'll show you guys what a winning product looks like, and I'm covering this in a whole nother video. It's going to be an A to Z case study. So before I show you guys, let me explain. The very first day we did $1,000, second day about $1,000, third day, which is today, we're doing close to $10,000. The very first day, we were profitable since the first day. This is what winning products look like. Spend and bid will help you guys dominate the algorithm. Let me just show you guys the results. So $10,000 this month on this brand new store. Yesterday we did about $2,000, sorry, not $1,000. And there you guys go. Facebook strategy has very little to do with this. It's mostly your product and your creative. So keep that in mind, and I'll see you guys in the next video.